Hello there, grade 4 students. Welcome to NVIS Virtual Learning. I'm Mr. Bernard, your math teacher for today. Before we start, see to it that you have the following materials. Number 1, your textbook. Number 2, your pen. And number 3, a sheet of paper for your calculations. Today, you're gonna learn Lesson 13-5, Equivalence with metric units of capacity and mass. Open your book on page 703. The objective. Recognize the relative size of metric units of capacity and mass and convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit. Let us have a review. Circle all the true statements. A. 12 meters equals 1,200 centimeters. B. 4 meters equals 400 centimeters. C. 30 centimeters equals 3,000 millimeters. D. 44 kilometers equals 4,400 meters. And letter E. 8 meters equals 8,000 millimeters. The correct answers are A. 12 meters equals 1,200 centimeters because in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. What else? Very good. Letter B. 4 meters equals 400 centimeters. One more. Great. It's letter E. 8 meters equals 8,000 millimeters because in 1 meter there are 1,000 millimeters. Another. Rosa has 5 pounds of apples. How many pies with 8 ounces of apples can Rosa make? Explain. Take note. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So 5 times 16 equals 80 ounces. Great. Then we have to divide 80 by 8. So 80 ounces divided by 8 ounces. Very good. It's 10. Therefore, the answer is 10 pies. Okay. You may now proceed to the lesson. Let's start with solve and share.
Jenny has 3 liters of water. How many milliliters of water does she have? And what is the mass of the water in grams? Solve this problem any way you choose.
Study the conversion table of metric units of capacity and mass. In 1 liter, there are 1,000 milliliters. In 1 gram, there are 1,000 milligrams. And also in 1 kilogram, there are 1,000 grams. So we have to convert. Multiply 3 by 1,000, which is equal to 3,000. Therefore, the answer 3,000 milliliters and 3,000 grams. Piece of cake, isn't it? Look back. Why did you need to convert units to solve the problem above? Answer. The amount of water was given in liters, and the question asked for the amount of water in milliliters and the mass of the water in grams. Now, watch and learn the visual learning animation.
How could you convert from one metric unit of capacity or mass to another? Let's find out. Louis needs 8 1-liter servings of apple juice. He has 5,000 milliliters of juice. Does Louis have enough apple juice? Metric units of capacity include liters and milliliters. Metric units of mass include kilograms, grams, and milligrams. What do you notice about the equivalent measures in the table? The relationship between liters and milliliters is the same as the relationship between grams and milligrams, and between kilograms and grams. Step 1. Find how many milliliters of apple juice Louis needs. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Louis needs 8 liters of juice. 8 times 1,000 equals 8,000 milliliters. Louis needs 8,000 milliliters of juice. Why do you multiply 8 by 1,000 to find how many milliliters of apple juice Louis needs? Louis needs 8 liters, and 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Step 2. Compare to find if Louis has enough apple juice. Louis has 5,000 milliliters of apple juice. He needs 8,000 milliliters of apple juice. 8,000 milliliters is greater than 5,000 milliliters. Louis does not have enough apple juice. How many more milliliters of apple juice does Louis need? 8,000 minus 5,000 equals 3,000. So Louis needs 3,000 more milliliters of apple juice.
Now you know how to convert from one metric unit of capacity or mass to another.
Convince me. Why did you need to convert liters to milliliters? Answer. The information was given in liters, and the question asked for milliliters. So it was necessary to convert from liters to milliliters. Let's answer the guided practice. Number 1. Margot has 8 kilograms of apples. How many liters of apple juice can Margot make? Explain. Before you answer the problem, make sure that you memorize the conversion table of metric units of capacity and mass. 1 kilogram, there are 1,000 grams. So 8 kilograms, there are 8,000 grams. 8 multiplied by 1,000. In the example, 2,000 grams of apples make 1 liter of apple juice. So 2,000 times what is equal to 8,000? Great! It's 4. Therefore, the answer is 4 liters. Number 2. 6 grams, how many milligrams? We multiply 6 by 1,000. 6 times 1,000 equals, very good, 6,000. So there are 6,000 milligrams in 6 grams. Number 3, 9 liters equals how many milliliters? We multiply 9 by 1,000, which is equal to 9,000. So there are 9,000 milliliters in 9 liters. In independent practice, you have a couple of minutes to solve the selected numbers. Pause the video to answer. Time's up. You may now check your answers. Number 4. There are 5,000 grams in 5 kilograms. Number 6. There are 4,000 milligrams in 4 grams. Number 8. There are 7,000 milliliters in 7 liters. And number 10. There are 3,000 milliliters in 3 liters. Very easy, isn't it? Just multiply by 1,000. Did you get the same answers? Great! In this part, you have to solve it again alone and watch the next video for checking. For your extra task, check your Pearson account and answer the assigned practice. Quick check. Thank you so much, grade 4 students. Till next lesson. Bye.